So in this video, I will discuss about the mechanism of nitration of benzene. So it's an electrophilic substitution reaction. So let me take the benzene. So when we take the benzene ring, when I treat with nitric acid, which is HNO3, in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So the product will be NO2, which will be nitrobenzene. So this is the basic reaction. So nitration of benzene when treated with nitric acid, it gives nitrobenzene. But most interestingly, the mechanism is very important. The mechanism will be very important in this case. The mechanism will be very important. So first step, we know that since it's an electrophilic substitution, we need the electrophile. Because it's an electrophilic substitution reaction, we need the electrophile. So the first step will be generation of electrophile. The first step will be the generation of the electrophile. So we know that we got the HNO3, nitric acid, which is HNO3. We are using the catalyst H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4. So now what happens is HNO3 and H2SO4. H2SO4 sulfuric acid, this is a stronger acid. This is a stronger acid. So stronger acid in the sense, it will give the H plus easily. It will give the protons easily now. So what happens, this H plus will take an OH from here. So from here on OH minus will come. So as a result, what happens, with this nitric acid is losing this OH, it will be NO2. Because one oxygen, it will be NO2 and the H will be there. So this H and OH minus will give the water molecule. Because here H2SO4, it will leave the H plus. So what's remaining here will be HSO4 minus, and here NO2 will have the positive charge. Because HNO3, OH minus is moving away, it will be NO2 plus. And this will be the electrophile. This will be the electrophile. So it's very, very important. The electrophile generated will be NO2. For that purpose only we are using the concentrated sulfuric acid. So HNO3 plus H2SO4. Sulfuric acid being a stronger acid, it will give the H plus. This H plus will pull on OH from the HNO3, making it NO2 positive. After removing the OH, it becomes NO2 plus, and that OH and H will form the water molecule. Here, because sulfuric acid has lost the H plus, it will be HSO4 minus. And most interestingly, the electrophile will be NO2 plus in this case. So second step will be attack of electrophile. Attack of electrophile on the benzene. Electrophile on the benzene. So we know that benzene, I can make like this, the benzene part. So in case of benzene, we got the 3 double bonds equal to the 3 pi bonds. So these 2 electrons, the 2 pi electrons from here, we can take any double bond. From here they move there. So if this is a carbon, this is another carbon. Because electrons are moving there, this carbon will gain the electron, this carbon will lose the electron. So when the electrons start moving towards this carbon will gain electrons. So this carbon will gain the electron and this carbon will lose the electron. So as a result, what happens is, I can symbolically write like this. So probably here we will be having so this carbon will gain the electron, this will lose the electron. As a result, the carbon which is gaining the electron will have a negative sign here, this will have a positive sign here. And this compound is stable because I discussed in the last video itself. Anything which is having a single bond is like sigma, double bond is pi, then a positive charge. So any structure which has got sigma, pi and the positive, it is stable, and this we call it as sigma complex. This we call it as sigma complex. So now what happens is, we know that the electrophile is NO2 plus. So electrophile being having the positive charge, it will easily come and attack here. So the product will be, I will write like this. NO2 will go there, NO2 then I will be having the NO2 here and will be having the positive charge here now. Final part. So now, after this reaction takes place, now it will be removal of the old electrophile. Because we know that in case of carbon, each and every place we got a carbon and an hydrogen. If you take this, we have got a carbon and an hydrogen now. So now what happens is, we have got the NO2 and the hydrogen here. Now this hydrogen will come out as H plus, leaving the 2 electrons. So what happens, once again the double bond will be formed here. So this H plus with HSO4 minus, where we got the HSO4 minus here, it will form the sulfuric acid. So finally what happens is, we will be having this double bond will be restored once again. It will be NO2 plus H2SO4. So this will complete the mechanism of titration of benzene.